We wanted to create something that lasts more than a lifetime. Something that could be passed from generation to generation. Our unique magnetic propulsion technology, coupled with the space-grade titanium we use, creates a symphony of design. Titanium is 14 times more expensive than aluminium and is used for some of the most exotic and prestigious projects in the world due to its high strength to weight ratio. This material played a key role in the successful landing of the Falcon Heavy rocket ship as it re-entered the Earth's atmosphere.
One of my favorite things to do is to get out and ride my bike. But the combination of rough roads and stiff bike frames means riding can be really tough on your body. In 2016, we launched the Shockstop suspension stem to add cushioning to the front end of the bike. The stem changed the way people thought about suspension, but the front of the bike is only half the equation. That's why we're so excited to introduce the Shockstop seat post, a revolutionary short travel suspension seat post that will completely change your riding experience, no matter what kind of bike you ride.
Maybe you're out for an epic gravel adventure or just dealing with potholes on your daily commute. You're gonna find rough roads wherever you ride. Modern bikes are designed for speed and efficiency, not for comfort. This means bumps and impacts pass straight into your body, which leads to fatigue, pain, or even injury.
Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Elias.
We are part of the team behind Sonic Soak.
Sonic Soak is a smartphone-sized device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible.
It cleans to the microscopic level, beyond what any laundry machine or cleaning spray can do. The inspiration for this device came from the fact that we were frequent travelers, and cleaning our clothes while on the go was always a hassle, so we had to set out to find a good solution.
It's also quiet and can be used to clean more than clothes. It can clean glasses, jewelry, fruits, razors, baby bottles, products that are tough to clean using sponges or rags or your hands or soap and water.
I think they get the idea, Elias.
Okay, I just want to be clear. This is the best way to clean pretty much anything.
Sonic Soak works by generating ultrasonic sound waves that create microscopic high-pressure bubbles to wash away dirt, grime, and oils.
We had no idea at the time that we'd come up with was a device that had so many benefits outside of travelers wanting an easy way to wash clothes while on the go.
It's also simple to use. You simply place it in water, add some soap, turn on the built-in timer, and walk away. 30 minutes later, your clothes are cleaner than ever before.
Sonic Soak is designed for travelers, moms, neat freaks looking for a thorough cleanse, and not just on clothes, by the way, but on fruits and vegetables too. Folks with small loads of laundry, fashionistas that need a better solution for their gentle cycle or hand wash only clothes, folks that don't have the space for a full-size laundry machine. Really, it's for anyone who wants a cleaner, well, almost anything. Because Sonic Soak is more than a great way to clean your laundry, it can clean just about anything you can stick in the water with it.
So if you like things clean, free from all those nasty things you can only see up close, Sonic Soak is your solution.
Sonic Soak is ready to be shipped just after our campaign ends. We just need you to help make it happen.
We started this journey 2 years ago, and we were on a mission to bring families closer together while making your living space a smarter one. Because as social beings, the dining table holds more than just the food that nourishes our bodies. It's the magnet drawing us closer together, feeding the connections that helps us discover our truest selves. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, indoors or out, the most important conversations of our lives happen around the table. It gives us pause in the world that's speeding up around us. It reminds us that when hits, likes, and comments fade away, we're in the presence of something more important. We are Transformer Table, and we believe that the future of your living space lives right here. Hi Kickstarter, we're back. 2 years ago, you backed our very first project, the Transformer Table. A year later, you enabled us to create the very first Transformer Bench. We need your help in introducing the next generation of Transformer Table products. This is our most ambitious project yet, introducing 4 new hardwood collections: Dark American Walnut, Natural Acacia, Birch Gray, and the Black Oak. These are the best products we've ever made, and we think you're gonna love them.
Modern housing is becoming smaller, and we find ourselves having to sacrifice due to the lack of space. However, we think that instead of sacrificing our comfort, we should find ways to use our space in a more efficient way. This is why we decided to create a product that solves the issue of space. There's just so few products that truly address this problem. So we created a new category of smart furniture that brings the versatility and the space saving.
One of the most important tools in any professional kitchen is the knife. Used in the preparation of practically every dish, a professional chef takes care of their knives like a thoroughbred racehorse. That's why, about 2 years ago, the team at Vie Belles decided to create a series of professional knives that also look stunning in a home kitchen. We call them the Reserve Series. We believe they're the finest knives you'll find anywhere. Meticulously crafted, ultra premium quality, unparalleled balance and precision, razor sharp to cut, chop, slice, and dice, and turn any kitchen task into a pleasure. The Reserve Series is comprised of 5 knives you'll use every day: an 8-inch chef knife, a 7-inch Santoku knife, a 5.5-inch Nakiri knife, a 10-inch bread knife, and lastly, a 5.5-inch utility knife. Use them once and you'll immediately see why the Reserve Series from Vie Belles is a true thoroughbred knife.
Hi, my name is Farzan, founder of Vie Belles Cutlery. My team and I wanted to create the perfect set of knives for professional chefs and everyday folks who want a seriously good knife. We put over 2 years of work into designing knives that offer premium quality at a price that's affordable to all. I'm proud to say we have accomplished just that. Our entire line of Reserve Series knives will serve you well for many, many years and make your time in the kitchen a pleasure.
Crafted from VG10 Damascus-clad stainless steel, each knife is then folded 67 times with SAS 430 Japanese stainless steel for incredible toughness and durability. For even more strength and amazing balance, they're full tang with a 15-degree dual-angle blade of 61 to 62 Rockwell hardness. The blades also feature a hammered finish and a double bevel, making them a perfect fit for both left and right hands. Speaking of hands, you'll love holding the rosewood handle in yours, with its pure black micarta and mosaic pin.
Hi, I am Chef Mariam. In my career, I've used many different knives, and I can say with great pleasure that the Reserve Series is one of the best I've ever seen. These are professional quality with a balance, sharpness, and function that is first class all the way. I only use the best in my kitchen, at work, or at home. And today, the Reserve Series is what you'll find there.
Vie Belles Cutlery is here on Kickstarter to introduce the Reserve Series to the world and offer them at a truly amazing price. If you want beautiful professional knives for either work or home, please take a look at our entire Kickstarter page. Choose the funding package.